Outstanding design defines the 2015 BMW 428i. This two-door, four-passenger convertible stands out among competitors in its class. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. All of the premium features expected of a BMW are offered, including automatic dimming door mirrors, a power convertible roof, and remote keyless entry. The unique heads-up display projects vehicle information onto the windshield, including speed, gear selection, and engine speed. Drivers benefit by not having to take their eyes off the road. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 16 speakers, yielding a symphony-like audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as knee airbags, integrated rollover protection, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.